One Club. We're here on our putting green. Arguably the most important part of the game, short game, putting. So I want to give you a couple setup tips today to ensure that you're getting the most out of your putting stroke. The most important thing is getting the hands connected to the body. So hands are going to move towards the body. This allows us to make putter an extension of our arms, where we are using the big muscles as opposed to the small muscles to create consistency among our strokes. So from here, we're going to look at shoulder plane. We don't want the shoulders leaning forward, and we don't want them too far back. We want them slightly on an incline to ensure that we are hitting this putt on an ascending blow to where we're getting the ball rolling end over end. So this is what it's going to look like. You're welcome.